DIY is a solid perfume we call Creamsicle Dream. I feel like spray perfumes wear off on me very quickly. Solid perfumes keep the scent on your body for much longer. They often have a lot of weird preservative ingredients. This one is very pure. Don't you love a creamsicle? We start with 1.5 teaspoons of the Greenleaf Naturals shea butter. This is just raw, organic shea butter. All the ingredients are just going to go into the top part of a double boiler. Then 1 teaspoon of organic beeswax pellets. Super easy to find online. And 1 teaspoon of a light oil. I prefer jojoba or sweet almond. You put an inch of water in the bottom of your pot and then melt these in your double boiler. Then we add scents. To make it a creamsicle, we need orange and vanilla. There are a lot of different essential oil companies, and the strength of the scent is different. I use about 10 to 15 drops of orange, and then 10 to 15 drops of vanilla. And then you're gonna pour this into the jar of your choosing. Feel free to get creative to put them in these little jars, stash them in all sorts of different places. Throw this in the fridge to let it harden. You'll have a delicious, solid perfume that reminds you of a great summer treat.